Hey everyone. Alright, I promised that we would unbox this light and we would look at our timers. While I was off camera, we contacted Amazon about our bad LED light, and they are going to ship us out a new set, and then we will return that. So, alright, here's our timer. It is digital. Plugs into your outlet. And then we have a plug in here, outlet, and we have another one here. It can be programmed by the week, the hour, the minute. It's got a clock, auto on off. We'll do a video on this in the works once I figure out how it works exactly. So apparently it operates for battery backup, which is good since the digital display is working. And you can select a day, Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Monday through Saturday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Monday through Sunday. We will want Monday through Sunday. So, alright. So we are going to want this light to come on. This one actually will be inside, so it will not be getting daylight outside. So this light will come on we will have it come on at 5 a.m. And we could do multiple different programs. Okay, so our off, we'll want this to go off in the PM. So we will run this from 5 a.m. until p.m. So that gives us our right amount of time, 5, 6. That'll be 7 hours for it off, so we'll do this till 11 p.m. for now. Okay. Okay, so I only need one timer on this one. I don't need a multiple schedule, so it's going to be pretty simple. And then we will set our clock, because that's definitely wrong. It says it is 9:28 a.m. and it is 3:06 p.m. So now we have this one programmed. So when I take it to the barn to put it in our grow room, it is ready to go. So, alright. And we got 3 of them. So 2 of these will be going in the barn. 1 of these will be going in one of the greenhouses. Alright. This one I'm pretty excited about. Pretty stoked, I have to say. Never had anything like this. I've always used LEDs and T12 grow lights and T8 grow lights and some T5 lights, and that's what I've always worked with. So, and they work quite well. We're just stepping up what we're doing. So I'm stepping up to buy one of these. And hopefully the end of this year we can buy a couple more of these. Got any laying around you want to send me? Glad to try them. So here we have our Viparspectra. And this is part of their Pro Series. Instruction book. Got a little card. If you're not happy, tells you what to do. Happy tells you blah blah. So and they make bigger ones, and I think they make smaller ones. This was the one that was in my budget for now. You'll see our ballast, our operating system. Nice big long power cord, which is good. The room I'm working in has several outlets in it. We had those installed. The barn originally only had 1 or 2 in that room. 1, I think. And we had several installed because working with chickens, it was needed. So we didn't just install new outlets. We installed new circuits in the barn, which is very important. Okay, as you can see, we are on. Now it's got a control here, and that is minimum. We are turned all the way down. So, as you can see, it is quite bright when you crank that baby up. All the way down. All the way up. Down. Up. So, okay, I like that. So, it doesn't have the ability to turn off. So when you turn it off, you're going to have to unplug it. Which I don't guess is a big deal. It's going to be on a timer for me. So the timer will turn it off. So this is 1.2 amp, 96 watt max. On the in output is max 3 amp, 96 watts. Input is maximum of 1.2 amps. So it doesn't pull that much power. And I looked at some of the other ones. I guess I could tell you the model number on this one. This is, again, Viparspectra. It's for plants, vegetation, flower. So if you're not wanting it to flower, this is not a good choice. Actual power, it says, is 100 watts. This, of course, is the P1000, and it has 300 LEDs. So the P1000 cover is supposed to be a vegetative coverage of 2.5 feet by 2.5 feet, so 2.5 by 2.5, and flowering coverage is 2 foot by 2 foot. So that should work just great. Everything should be excellent on that. And my daughter just came in. She's behind the camera hiding so nobody can't see her. She's got a puzzled look on her face over this right here. She doesn't understand. So, should I show her? Should I? Y'all think I should show her? Lisa, this is one of our new lights for growing. This isn't just a grow light. This is good for blooming, so it helps not only with vegetative growth, it helps with flowering, so you can produce peppers in the winter inside if you want to, but it's for growing also. But this is our new grow light. Is it bright? No, that's dim. This is the bright side.
It looks like I'm in heaven
That's
or something.
the dim side. So, I had to. She wanted to know what it was. Now she knows what it is. Anyway, that is all. I'm going to let Alyssa reach around the corner and turn off our video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll do another video once we get this stuff hooked up. Thank you.